Hi, this is where I left you in our last video with this very simple HTML. In this video, I'm just going to go over the basics of looking at HTML, sort of seeing what's there. So HTML is a markup language, which means it has regular text, and then that text is annotated or described with these things. These are tags, we'll call them right here. They use the greater than and less than signs to open and close. So one tag would be, that's one tag. And it's got a closing tag here, which has the same name, the P, but it has this in front of that name. So a tag has less than sign, a name, greater than sign, and then it has a closing tag. And everything within this, including the outer tags, like this, what I've got highlighted up here, all of this is an element, an HTML element. And so this will be interpreted by the browser in some specific way. We can also add attributes to tags. So if you go after the name, here the name is P. If you go after that, put a space in, and you add, say for example, ID. Now there's an ID attribute. And we can set that attribute to have a certain value. So ID equals my ID. So now the ID of this element is my ID. IDs are used a lot, not exclusively, but a lot with JavaScript and with CSS. So if you watch the JavaScript and CSS videos, we will discuss that more. But we can do other things in here. For example, we can do style. Style equals, and we'll say color green. So as you can see, it changed the color green. Technically, this is inline CSS. There are things we can do that are not CSS in any way or JavaScript in any way. But for now, for this video, I think it's important to just know the parts of HTML. We've got tags, closing tags, attributes, values of attributes, and we'll call this here inner text or inner HTML. Right now it's inner text because this is just regular text. If we were to put an additional HTML tag within here, this would be inner HTML. And so keep those things in mind. Tags, names, attributes, values, inner text, and inner HTML.